I like cheese. Canned cheese, because, you know, it's pretty yummy. You know what else I like? Mountain Dew. Anyways, this is the story of a girl who cried a river and drowned the whole world. And while she looks so sad in photographs, I absolutely love her. Where's this mouth? Hey, she changed the. Ooh, wow! This song right here is pretty amazing. It's called "Wow, I Can Get Sexual Too." Do you know it? If you don't, you're gonna learn it. If I die and go to hell real soon, it will appear to me as this room. Right in bed, in my boxers, half stoned, with a pillow under my head, I'd be chatting on the interweb. Maggots prey upon the living dead. Interest in the things she said. At the phone after day, I put a mentally in the hay. I called her on the phone and she touched herself. She touched herself. She touched herself. Called her on the phone and she touched herself. I laughed myself to sleep.